Hello my beautiful people, this is Val with This Is How You Do It. This is the way my hair look. I just took it down. It's just hanging straight. I am going to put these in here to give me some volume and some thickness without me fluffing it up and all of that good stuff. So I'm going to take this straight piece that will go all the way across the back. No, I start at the front first. See how far this will go before I go in the back. Okay, put the two here, got two. And one more. Let me see how that looks first before I put it on the other side. Well, I guess that really doesn't do much to it, just a little bit. Put it right there, then it comes out. Yeah, that'll be fine. Now I'm going to do the back. Just putting extensions in it to make my hair look fuller without having it being 2 or 3 days old. This is the first day of a twist out. That's the only one I'm going to put across the back. Not that I really need these, but because I do have them and I bought them a while back, I decided to use them, and it is working for it's making my hair look fuller and all of that good stuff. That's just one track in the back. I don't know how it look, y'all. So I'm going to put these other ones in the front. Put the one with the 3, like I said, on the bottom first. Up here. that's it. Just made it look thicker without me having to have a 2 or 3 day hairdo. Or to pick all the curls out. And I'm going to stop pulling it with my nails because I don't want to, like I say, pick them out. And this is Val with This Is How You Do It. Just put in my extensions real quick. And it didn't really change the length of my hair. It just gave me a little bit more volume. And I will talk to all you beautiful, beautiful, beautiful people on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, and everything button. Bye bye now.